Welcome to Code as Teach, your topics, our views. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Today we'll be discussing about binary search. So for searching a particular array, we have linear search, binary search, exponential search. We will be discussing binary search today. For simple array, linear search is much more efficient, but if you have longer array or the complex array, binary search is useful for searching a particular element in a array. Let's see how it works. Okay, so binary search works upon divide and conquer method. Algorithm is divide and conquer. It means that once you have an array of let's suppose of 8 items, it divides into the two parts from the middle of the array, and it will not search on the rest of the path. Once it applies the logic, it will not work on the rest of the array. So it reduces the array length. So by default it becomes faster than the linear search. But for simple search, linear is much more faster than binary. Let's see how it works. Okay, so it's based upon divide and conquer algorithm. Okay. So what it does you can say that it divide larger array into sub array or a small array. Okay, or a small array. Okay, I will explain the logic also how it calculate the middle value of the array. And the second thing, it works on sorted array. Okay, because it divides the array into two parts. If the array is not sorted, you are not able to find the correct element. Okay, because it divides it based upon divide and conquer, right? So it's dividing the whole array into two parts, and if the array is not sorted, you are not able to find the element in a correct index, right? Simple. So it works on sorted array. Okay, and by discarding the smaller array or the divided array, by discarding the you can say the divided array, it works in a faster way, right? Okay, because it divides the array into the let's take an example. Let's say we have one list or the array. We have one array AR. Okay, and it had elements something like 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 8, 9. Right? So it's a start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3, 3 and 6, 7. Okay, so how it works? In a case 1, it by default goes to the medium. So here is the middle parts is 5, right? Okay, its middle part is 5. So in case 1 possible, there is 3 possible case here in a binary array. The first case is case 1. Okay, in case 1 it will goes to the middle of the part. So let's suppose we have to find the element. Let's suppose we have to find element 7, right? We have to find the element 7. So first we will go to the middle of this, and middle here is the 5. So in first case it will search the, so if element is array of the middle, okay, so it will find the middle. How will find the middle? So for finding the middle, okay, how we do the, by default it will start from the 0, right? So the first value is 0, and the second value is the length of the array, right? So length of the array, okay, and the -1, because length gives 1 more than, we have to take the index from the 0. Okay, so 0 plus 1, and then we have to divide this by 2, right? And this one is the middle of the array. Okay, so suppose if it has only 8 and it comes 4, then it takes from the 3 onwards, right? So in first case it will compare the element which we need to find with the middle part of the array. Okay, so here if we compare, see here 7, we have to search the 7. So here it comes 5. Okay, so 5 is not equal to the 7, right? It's not. So here, okay, by doing this, if it is fine, then it returns the element, right? It returns the element. Okay, and here it not find. Here we are not able to find the 7 or 5. Okay, so second case might be either the element will be greater or the lesser, right? Okay, now here we will understand why it needs the sorted array. Okay, if it is not sorted, if the 9 is here and the 7 is here, we are not able to find the correct index. Okay, so in the case 2, Okay, either the element should be the lesser than median. So if you find the medium here 5, and here we have to search the 7. So either the 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5. Whatever element we have to find here, either it should be greater or lesser than the middle of the array, right? So let's take one example. Okay, so if element is greater than of middle part, right? The middle part of the array. Okay, if it is greater, it means that we don't have to search on these 3 elements. We have to only search from this one, right? Because already the array is in sorted part and the middle of the array is not equal to this element we have to find. So we don't have to work on this part. Only we have to search in this one, right? 7, 8, 9, right? Okay, so here the binary search, it will discard all element in left, right, including middle also, right, including middle. Okay, now onward it will search on this 3 part, right? Okay, this one it may be, suppose we have to search the number 3. In that case the element will be lesser than 1, right? So in that case 3 will be there. So only 3 cases there, and this will repeat. Okay, this is for a small 8 elements. If it has more than 10 or more than 100 elements, it will repeat the same process until the result is found. Or if it is not found, it will return that we are not able to find. The element is not found, right? So if element is less than, right? Simple. In this case, it will discard the right search, right? So it will discard all element in right search. Okay, let's take a method. Let's create one function. We try to implement this. This can be implemented using iterative like for loop. We will try to have it using recursion. Okay, so let's create one method like define binary search. Okay, what are the elements we have to take? To see here, first element should be the array itself. Second element, what will be the element need to be found, and the third element will be the first part. 0 will be right, because by default is the first time we are taking the 0, but every time it should not be 0, right? And the third one is this one. So we have to take the 4 element, right? So first element will be array itself, then the left part, then the right part, and the element which need to be searched, right? Simple. So first index, if left is less than or greater than, you can say, if left is greater than right, it means that it's not available in this. So we have to return -1. Okay. If the condition is not satisfied, because left 0, by default when the search has started it will be 0, but somewhere if you put something like 2 and the right will be 0, it does not work, right? Now let's let's find the mid. Okay, so how we'll find left plus right, right? We have find the middle of the array, right? Now we have to check if element is equal to array mid, right? If it is find, we have to return mid. Simple. We have seen here that if in case 1, so element is equal to array or middle of the array, it will returns the index, right? Okay. Elif we have to check whether element is less than or greater than. Let's take the less than one. Okay, it's less than this. Okay, here we have to call again this. We have seen here in the lesser part, if it's less, we have to search on only this part, not on the other part, right? So we have to pass return and the binary search. Now the array will be the same, left will be same, but if you see the right part will be changed. Right part will be mid -1, right? Right here, suppose if you say 3, 5 is the middle. In the second time, we have to say only these 3 parts. The left will be the same, but the right will be the middle -1, right? Here, if you say this, this one is the middle, we have to pass only 3, right? So 0, 1, 2, right? We have to not pass the 3. So here it becomes mid minus 1, and elements need to be the same because we have to find this element. Okay? Else simple, right? Okay, here we have to now we are checking the greater than 1. So here it will change the left part, right part will be same, the left part will be middle plus 1, right? Middle is the 5, and if you have to search like 7, then it will be searching from mid plus 1 to the end of the array, right? Simple. So if you say here array mid plus 1, and then right element that should be printed, right? This is the simple way to have a binary search implementation. So if you understand the logic, it's easier to implement it. Only we have to take care of this one, mid plus 1 and the mid minus 1, because it's searching, it's searching the reduced array. It's not searching on the whole array. In a linear search, we have to search on the whole array. It's in the first time, if it's at the middle of the array, then it will return the index. If it's not, it will reducing the array by giving these two range and then searching, right? Let's take an example. Let's declare one array, something like 1, 2, 4, or say 4, 6, 8, 9, right? Okay, and then we have to take the left should be 0, and then right should be length of array minus 1, okay, and the element which need to be searched, let's say the 4, right? Okay, we will call this and find the index like binary search. We have to pass the array, left, right, and the element. Okay, if you have to check if it's returned minus 1, it means that the element is not found. Okay, otherwise it will return the element index, right? So let's, if index is not equal to minus 1, okay, print like element is found at index, right? Else it will print that element is not found. Element is not found. Simple. Let's run this and try to understand. If you run here, see that 4 is found at index 0, 0, 1, 2, right? Correct. Let's take example of like 8, because 8 is from the middle to the righter part. If you run here, it is found at index 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let's take any element which is not there. Is not found, and if you don't sort this array, if you something like take 12 or 16, and if you try to find something which is like 4, okay, 4 is the middle, let's say the 9, it will say that the element is not found. Let's run this, because it's not, so it is starting from the middle, and the middle let's say 4, 9 is found at index 5. Let's take an example of, like you can say 1 is okay. One more thing, if you say here something like 3, 2, 4, now 9 will not found. Okay, so we have to understand the logic of the binary search. Rest it's easier to implement. See here 9 is not found because it's searching from the middle 5, 24, 24, and the 9 is lesser than 24, so it will be searching on 1 and 2. It's not found, but already it's there in the list, but the array is not sorted. Okay, this is a simple way of writing the binary search. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.